Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This LG washing machine customer called me to repair and they said cannot wash and cannot spin. So cannot use the machine. So let's see what is the problem. I have turned it on and put the spin mode. So dear viewers, if you want to wash and spin, it's in this same time. It's only continue beep. This continue beep, wash and spin. So let me, there are two screws. Let me open the back cover. So there is a problem. Let's see the door switch actually at first, but in this model there is no door switch. They didn't use in the back side door switch, so there are no door switch. So I have to see the front side because in back side there are no door switch. Okay, then dear viewers, finally I found its magnet missing. There was one magnet and that magnet has missing, so that's why it's making continue. So let's try by magnet. Let me turn spin mode. Dear viewers, I have a magnet in my hand, so if it is beep then I can check it. Yeah, see, if I remove the beep, so actually this can fix by magnet only. So this magnet I will remove. There are two screws. You remove these two screws, then slide left side, then you can remove this PCB board. So in this PCB board, just I'll keep this magnet inside. Should be the same area, the door. See, just I'll keep it there. Okay, just yes, then I'll fix it properly because by one hand it's difficult. Then we will be back. Let me turn it on. The spin mode. So the reverse, alhamdulillah, so it's working fine. Now sensor is working, so alhamdulillah. So you can fix just by using magnet. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.